Grab the bolt and get
Yo,
out.
I can feel it. It's hot.
Hey, yo, make sure you want me to go ahead and start a car?
I didn't see that. I didn't see that when I got here.
The tow truck's here. This way. Yep, this way.
What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we are here with the M4. We're going to be doing our first oil change since we've gotten it. So we're at Denny's house, as you can see. Got a very nice place to do it. So let's get started.
By the way, the car's... It is so hot.
Were you actually about to say that?
Yeah, I was literally about to say that.
Bruh, I literally accidentally touched that. Yeah, it's pretty hot, boys.
Dang, is that a cop on 5?
Yes,
You're almost there. You got this, buddy. Come on, come on. Intense sound right now. Turn.
I think we got it.
It's out. There we go.
Did you hear the oil?
Yeah.
All right, guys. Step one. Filter. Take it off. As you can see, mine's out.
Yuck.
I might have to, no.
Noise. You normally put it like this or the other way? Slowly. There you go.
Step two. Make sure your exhaust is not hot. You could burn yourself. All right, just joking. That one's a joke. But step two. Put some jack stands or jack, whatever you got.
Turn.
Nickelodeon. There you go. Oh my god, who torqued this thing?
Did you get it?
Kinda.
That slip normally means you got it.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, that's that slip normally means you got it.
You got experience, huh?
Grab the bolt and get
Yo,
out.
I can feel it. It's hot. Ooh,
Okay, just.
Where am I
Oh,
You see, I told you I wasn't gonna score down nothing. Where did that bolt go? Oh, I see it. Wait.
I wasn't recording with the camera.
You weren't?
There
Oh,
you go.
just record now. Step three, undo your drain plug.
Hey, yo, make sure you want me to go ahead and start a car?
How about we don't?
Start a car, bro. We want content.
And in case you guys were wondering, size 17. The oil is hot, bro. Did yours bring these or no?
I don't know if it brought that.
I just leave them there.
That's weird. Because I remember the one I did on the... Does that fit? Or is that bigger?
It does look kind of wide, doesn't it?
HU9254X. Yeah, that's the one that you guys use.
Whoa, no, and that filter, I just noticed that.
It goes over still, right? What the hell?
That's not the right size. Look at the size of this. I was like, wait a minute.
Wait, what?
You got the wrong one. Bro, it's like two sizes my filter. We are currently on our way to AutoZone.
Advanced.
Or Advanced. Same.
I bought the wrong filter.
But, I mean, you know, we're gonna go swap it out. This is the wrong one. And we'll be back. So, we'll see you then.
New exhaust?
You work here?
New exhaust.
You work here?
No, not. 816X. See how easy I found that?
Wait, don't you have to grab that to go?
Oh shoot, you're right.
What are you doing? This guy just freaking put it there like... Alright, we got the right filter. Let's take this out. There we go. Then
Now
we
it
got
has it. There
the
you go.
other one, yeah. You can see. Now we actually got the right size.
There you go. There you go.
We got it. Out with the old, in with the new. Sheesh.
Oops. Moist.
All right, so we finally finished. Everything is put back. We got Danny lowering the car.
Woo!
Yeah, I didn't see that. I didn't see that when I got here.
The tow truck's here. This way. Yep, this way.